Hey y'all, and I'm sorry I took so long. So this is what happened. I thought I was recording this entire time, and unfortunately it wasn't recording. So the parts, I've already joined my shorts, but I'm going to explain to you exactly step by step what I did. So I left it at, we had made our first panel, this part. So after you make your rows, your side of the hip, say for example I was making 18 inches, so after I've made my part, my hip part, on the front I added 4 rows of 10, these ones I counted 10 holes and made 10 of them for 4 rows, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then 4 of them, 1 2 3 4. And then on the other side I made the same 10 but 8 of them. So I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I did this, I made this part, this is where we left. Then I also made an exact same part for this other side, and then I joined, you see where the 8 rows and the 4 small rows, the 10 whole rows, sorry. So I joined them with, you can join them with you can use a ironing needle to join, but I used a crochet. So I single crochet, 2 single crochet in every hole. I joined the one leg of the short, and I joined another leg of the short here. Then I brought them together like this. You see, this is one part. Then you bring the other part that's not joined completely. They are now like this. You can see the extended part is here. This is one side of the short. So, and then you just knit them together. You can turn them this way so that it's easier for you to start from this side. Then you can just join here all the way, and this will form the short. I don't know if I've explained well, but maybe in another. So when you turn, actually the seam is very neat. It's almost not visible, but if you're keen you'll see it slightly. But when you use a yarn needle, there is no seam line that shows. So this is so far how it looks. So this is the short part of that pant, and my friend tried it on, and it really looked beautiful on her. So I want to show you how we can join this lower part. So the lower part, usually what I did for these pants, I did one leg separately, then I did the other leg separately. So once you have this, you'll join your hook, and then I'll show you how to make the large mesh on the lower part. But I figured maybe let me explain to you on book. Let me grab a book quickly and show you. So these are the steps. You'll check the first video and see I did the first leg. So the first leg was, I did a panel, that stretches to 19 inches. Then I counted 10 of these, for a total of this side I did 4 rows, and this side I did 8 rows. Yeah. Then I made an extra, so they are 2 pieces that have 19 inches of mesh, 8 rows of 10 holes each, and 4 rows of 10 holes each, holes of mesh. So that is what I did for this one. So once you have the 2, you join them we join them with 2 single crochet in each hole as you go, or you can use a yarn needle. Okay, so after you join them, I don't know if you are getting, but after you join them, now we get this short. Okay, so if you want it to remain a short, after you've made it, you can work on the on this is the headband if you want. So what I did is I joined my yarn here, and then I did 2 double crochets in every hole, and then I came back with a back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop, back post, front post, like that. So I did 2 rows of that, and this is what I made out of that. And I added this drawstring to be able for it to be able to be adjustable, and the shorts just like this. So I'll show you how to join. So I was using a 3.5mm hook for that part, but now I want to change and use a 5mm hook for the lower part. So I'll use a 5mm hook for the lower part. So this one we will work on them later, we can just remove them later. So where the joining part was on this one, where I joined the 4 rows and the 8 rows, I'll just find a place and insert my hook. Then I'll take my yarn. So we are working on one leg, and then the other leg we will duplicate. So you can choose to work either from the inside or on the outside. It's just all the same, but for the sake of many people that work from the outside, we will do that. So you can decide to single crochet all the way before you start your mesh, but I choose not to. But you can single crochet all the way, 2 single crochets in every hole, 2 single crochets. But now, because I already know in my head it's 2 single crochets, so me, I don't count them. So I'm like, this is 2, 2, 2, so this is 6. So I usually chain. So from here, this is the first one, I'll chain. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14. So I'll chain 14. This is like double crochet, which is 3 double crochets and 11 chains. Then I'll skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and on the third line, I don't know if you can see, but I joined my yarn here. This is where I've made my chain of 14. I'll skip 1, 2, and 3 holes, and on top of this double crochet of the third one, I will make a single crochet like that. Then I'll chain up 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll skip 3 on top of the third one. I'll make a single crochet. Then I'll chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll skip 3 and place a single crochet on top of the third double crochet of the hole. Then I'll chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll skip 3, and on this one I'll make a single crochet. I'll continue doing that. So from here I've chained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll place a single crochet on top of this space here. Let's just finish this one because it's not a lot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll skip 3, and on top of this one I'll place a. So the purpose of this is to create the flowy, the like long triangles, or what we like call them, going downwards. So I'll chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll skip 3, and on top of this one I'll make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll skip 3 and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I'll make a single crochet just like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, and I'll make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll make a single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when we get here, we skip the last 3, and then we can single crochet on the second chain from bottom, like the we count 1, 2, then that is where we slip stitch. We are not supposed to single crochet, we just slip stitch on the second. Yeah, so I'll just put there my slip stitch. So this is where the main thing that we are going to repeat comes in, the second row of this large mesh. So we will chain 1 from this point, then turn our work. After turning our work, we are going to slip stitch. This is a chain of 11 technically, so we are going half of 11 is 5.5. So the 6th row on this one is the exact middle of this chain. So we will slip stitch 5 times. So I don't necessarily like go to every of this one. I just slip stitch inside the chain 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. It will look like a new chain outside the chain that you're doing, but it will make absolute sense. It will not show at the end of your work, so it will not show at all. So what you'll do from here, you now chain your 11. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Then I'll go inside this one and single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I'll single crochet inside the next chain 11, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I'll single crochet here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I'll single crochet in the next chain, just that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and I'll single crochet in. So you see it's creating that large mesh on the bottom. So I'll continue with that until I get to this end where I started, and then I'll get back to you and show you what to do from there.